I am going to talk about why protein is important. Every cell in our body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Protein is also important for the growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. So protein nurtures your bones, cartilage, and blood, and is essential for the tissue growth and repair. I learned this the hard way after I found out that I have osteoporosis. So I was lacking nutrients, and that's why my bones are getting not so dense. And protein repairs, maintains, and grows muscles. It's important at every age. I was told, when I was a vegan, I was told many times that I need protein for my muscles, and I thought I didn't know that I didn't have enough protein, because I heard that protein is acidic, so I tried to avoid protein. But then my muscles got not as they get softer and softer, and then I noticed that protein is really important. So what are the foods that are rich in protein? If you eat meat, so lean meats, eggs, and some dairy, and if you don't eat meat, then whole grains and legumes. And I was not eating enough whole grains and legumes, and now I do incorporate eggs and a little bit of meat, but mostly fish in my diet. Tomorrow I'll compare whey versus vegan protein. Even though I am not a vegan anymore, not 100% vegan, I still like vegan protein because it's just more absorbable. For our smoothie challenge, you'll need protein powder, because I think that's the most delicious breakfast there is. If you are already using a protein powder, then stick with it if you want to, or you can order the one that I recommend. Just try out something new. And what I use is a delicious vegan protein that comes with 20 vitamins and minerals. And if you need to order it, if you want it, you need to order it really quickly. Put the comment link in the comment